So the hackering challenge for simple array sum, difficulty level is simple. The problem is we have given one array and in return we need to provide just the sum of the each element of the array. Here we can see the array elements are 1, 2 and 3. So the sum of the each element, which becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So it's very simple. Let's see what the inputs are. Here we get two things in the input. Very first thing is showing the length of the element, length of the array's element, and second thing is each element separated by the space. And the sample output is becoming 31. So here we can see the calculation. All these 6 elements getting summed up and it will become the 31. So it's very simple. So let's see what they have given. So very first input, they are reading from that console and remove the white space and new line, and it will store inside the array count, which is in our case it will be 6 for the sample input. After that they are again reading the line and replacing the unwanted characters with this blank space and storing inside the array temp, and then they are looping through that array temp and separating with the space and mapping into the integer type of the element. So it will become the integer type of array of element array. Then they are checking the count will be same of the array count, and then finally they are using the method. So let's start with our method. So the logic is very simple. We just need to return the sum. So we can use arr.reduce. Here for the reduce we need to provide two parameters. Very first is the initial value and the second parameter is the operator. So I have provided 0 as the initial value, which is sum showing, and the second thing is operator plus. So it will loop through all the array element and use the sum operator and store the value inside the here, which is 0. So let's see, trying to run the code and let's see. Yeah, so test code is running perfectly, so let's submit the code.